Python executes an assignment statement by first evaluating the expression on the right side of the equal sign and storing the result to the target. More formally, if the Python state at time t is as follows, with line at I, tab at j, and expression stack is empty, and the variables map is VM, and the statement at line I, tab j is target equals expr, then at time t plus 1, the Python state is line is still I, tab is still j, and the expression stack now contains expr. We initialize the value stack, and the variables map is still VM. Then LWPS evaluates the expression as before. If expr is a constant, the evaluation is completed in one step. Thus, at time t plus 2, the Python state is the following. The evaluated expression has been added to the value stack. After expression evaluation is complete, Python assigns the value at the top of the value stack to the target and moves on to the next line. Thus, at time t plus 3, the Python state is as follows. Line is I plus 1, tab is still j, expression stack goes back to an empty stack, and the variables map is the result of storing the value at key equals target in map VM. Let's look at an example. If the Python state at time 0 is as follows, line is 1, tab is 0, and the statement at line 1, tab 0 is x equals 7, then at time 0 plus 1, or 1, the Python state is as follows. At time 1 plus 1, or 2, we evaluate the expression in the expression stack and move it to the value stack. And at time 2 plus 1, or 3, the Python state is line is 1 plus 1, or 2, tab is 0, and the variables map is the result of storing 7 at key x in the variables map. We know that the result of storing 7 at key x in the map is the map with the entry x7. Thus, the Python state at time 3 is line is 2, tab is 0, and the variables map has one entry, x7. Let's try running the simulator to see how LWPython executes an assignment statement.